for tomorrow for the festival. So guys, mag-uumpisa na yung festival dito. So they are preparing para sa 15th. Ito yung Ban Festival. So Ban Festival. Ready for festival soon. Diba? There's barricade now. Here. Ready. Ang dami ng tao guys. Mamaya mag-uumpisa. Wala pang tao but later it will be full. Super crowded later. So, here guys, about how people are coming. Festival is starting soon. Dami ng tao guys. Papunta dito. Arriving. It will be very full soon. Oh my god, that's great. It's very long queue going to Chuntao. Oh my god. Okay, let's go and see what's the event for tonight. Tonight is the Ban Festival activities, so they have this lanterns. Kabit-kabit nila. So guys, I think tonight will be the climbing of the bonds contest. I'm not sure, but I'm going to see what's like. Festival. Okay, let's go and see. It's already, I think, started. So let me try. I think this is. Maki-shoes tayo guys kung ano meron. That's almost 24 hours yung ano ngayon. Yung mga store dito. Basta kung may event na ganito. I can smell the incense. I think Dancing of the Royal Dragon. Ganun. But ito yung mga bond. Oh, there's a lot of fun here. Let's go. And see. Oh, diba? Ang daming benta. Tingnan mo yan. Dito sa Hong Kong, pwede ka maglakad-lakad kahit ganitong oras safe. Actually, it's going to 11:35 in the evening. Yan yung preparation. That's it. Okay, let's see what's in here. Lakad-lakad pa tayo, guys. Para maganda. Ito na, paparating na tayo sa venue. Ito na. Oh, it's kantahan ko. Naririnig niyo. Sabi ko nga. Dami-dami tao.
請處理文化體育及旅遊局局長劉俊先生基天，準備為我哋進行呢一個明鑼嘅儀式，就宣佈上包山決賽嘅開始嘅。咁不過咧，我都請埋我哋今日咁多位主禮嘉賓一齊台前同劉處長、劉局長一齊進行呢個明鑼嘅儀式。咁我哋明鑼之前咧嚟翻張大合照先啦嚇，大家。仲有好冇啊？好冇啊？同係觀眾，大家係啦，係啦，頭先啲反應好強烈㗎。咁我哋
So guys, ito na yung pinakaabangan namin yung pag-akyat nila sa band contest. This is Chungchao Band climbing. This is Chungchao Band Festival. And they have this band climbing. So ito na mag-uumpisa na guys. Malaki yung prize ng first prize dito. Tapos yung mga consolation prize. Paramihan na makuha dito ng band na isasako sa kanilang sako. Go, 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 go. Take more fun. So ayan guys, finish na. Tapos na yung ano, tapos bibilangin na lang yung band. They will count the band who got the highest number of bands. Then he or he will be the winner.
最後嚟到第12次嘅係西園歷奇公園及園區，加油努力啊！咁多位。仲爆
festival finished. There's a lot of people. Tapos na, done.